Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue. Hi friends, welcome back. I got a great lesson for you today. Now, we did mention this a little bit before when we talked about the word c'est, but I want to do a lesson dedicated to teaching you how to do negatives in French. We talked about how we put ne in front of the verb and pas after it. I just want to do one more explanation and show you in some other context of how we form that structure, okay? So remember, when we have a verb, we say we do that verb, and if we don't want to do that verb, we take the verb itself and put ne in the front and pas after it, okay? So here's an example. Je suis, I am. I'm not. Je ne suis pas. Je ne suis pas. Let's look at some more examples. We are. Nous sommes. We are not. Nous ne sommes pas. Nous ne sommes pas. They are. Ils sont. They are not. Think about that one for just a second. Ils ne sont pas. Now I want you to think about a different verb. Let's try this one. I'm going to say je vais. Je vais. Now put that one into the negative. I don't go. Je ne vais pas. All right, let's try some more. You, plural, go. Vous allez. Put that into the negative. Vous n'allez pas. Okay, now let's try it in a different context. Vous avez trois frères. Do you have three brothers? Vous avez trois frères? No, I don't have three brothers. Non, je n'ai pas trois frères. J'ai un frère. I'll say it again. Non, je n'ai pas trois frères. J'ai un frère. Okay? Okay, let's go back to those family words and try to use those in conversation. I say, c'est ton père. C'est ton père. Non, ce n'est pas mon père. Ce n'est pas mon père. C'est mon oncle. Okay? So that is not my father, that's my uncle. C'est mon oncle. All right, guys. That was a short, easy reminder lesson on how we do negatives in French. I want you to try to practice those as much as you can in conversation now. You've learned a lot of verbs at this point. And so now you can go back to those verbs and practice them in the negative form. All right? Well, I hope that helps fill out your conversation a little bit. Thanks for hanging out with me today on the Language Tutor. I'll see you next time on our French series. Au revoir. Friends, thanks for watching the Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.